Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to place a put credit spread trade on Robinhood. A put credit spread is a bullish option strategy that involves selling one put option while buying another put option with a lower strike price using the same expiration date. This strategy allows you to collect a credit when opening the trade while defining your maximum risk. Many traders use put credit spreads when they believe a stock will stay above a certain price or move higher. Keep in mind that options trading involves risk and isn't suitable for every investor. Make sure your Robinhood account is approved for multi-leg options trading before placing a spread trade. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Search for the stock or ETF you want to trade. Open the stock's details page. Tap Trade, then select Trade Options. Choose the expiration date that matches your trading strategy. Select the put credit spread strategy if it's available, or build the spread manually. Choose the put option you want to sell. Then choose another put option with a lower strike price to buy using the same expiration date. Robinhood will automatically calculate the estimated credit you'll receive for opening the spread. Review the maximum possible profit, maximum possible loss, break-even price, and collateral required before placing your order. Choose the number of spread contracts you want to trade. Review all of the order details carefully. If everything looks correct, swipe up to submit your order. Once your order is filled, your put credit spread will appear in your options portfolio. Monitor the position as the stock price changes. If the trade moves in your favor, you can close the spread before expiration to lock in profits. To do this, open the spread from your portfolio, tap Close, review the closing order, and submit it. You can also choose to hold the spread until expiration if it matches your trading plan. Continue monitoring the underlying stock, implied volatility, and the time remaining until expiration, since these factors can affect the value of your spread. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.